Dr. Shadrick, what is your view on this subject? National.
There's no harm in a name.
Easier to establish association than many other types of organizations. But whatever we create, should be a multi-stakeholder based one rather than just a particular sector being
Dr.
represented.
Shadrick has a point that it's easier to establish an association of public libraries than a council where you have to get, and then since the public libraries are divided state-wise and at the center, which state is going to establish the council? And if it is at the national level, they are already established the Raja Ram Mohan Library Foundation.
No, we make, yeah.
That's what
Already public
Yes,
libraries,
Yeah, yeah.
vote has been
throttled, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
allowed to speak.
that.
They're not allowed to come out.
That's what Dr. Lakshman Rao.
In that
this is-
condition, you have to be careful before you say library association.
No, I'd support Dr. Rao and simply say that if you have a council or whatever you call it, there will be no permanent employees. It will be serviced by the RRL. You can call it by any name you like, as long as there are no regular employees. It should not become a bureaucratic organization. I think that we all agree. Yeah.
Again, one director general will be president, another director general will be secretary, because they are public libraries.
Okay. Elections, we're democratic in one sense, yeah, sure. But as you see, elections, one is people want patronage. But here there will be no patronage at all. There's no money to be given, there's no post to be had. So you can call it by any name you like, there's no harm. As long as you make sure it's not a permanent body, a regular body.
See, the role of RRLF is different. It's a funding agency. Here we can have the National Council for Public Libraries, wherein all the directors of public libraries will be the members. Just like NITI. All the chief ministers are the members, director of public libraries are the members. And we can have the Minister for Culture or Secretary will be the,
Ex officio.
yeah, something like that.
Well,
It will come out with the models, act, and apart from the training courses for the public libraries, we may have the state chapters also.
thank you very much. I think we will add that the National Council for Public Libraries be established. But so far as the association is concerned, it is up to the librarians. They can always start if they feel there's a need for an association. They can always, public librarians start. But the point is what Dr. Lakshman Rao said, the public librarians are so throttled, they are controlled by the government. And they cannot speak a word. They are not moving up and saying anything. It's up to you if you don't want to, in the 21st century, at this stage, if you don't want to let them stand, it's up to you. But we leave it open. But the National Council for Public Libraries,
Don't make the directors as the members of the council, because many directors are non-professionals. One of the directors in Andhra Pradesh says, what do you do? Why do you masters? Why do you give the book, take the book, give the book, take the book?
Sir,
My Chapachi can do. But he doesn't want to do anything. They come from education
Sir.
department.
sir,
So I
what
personally-
about National Library Mission?
as I
What do
see,
you think?
no, I would suggest two things. I would say, as
Form, I'm not against.
no.
But don't make directors as the members of the
No, we are not mentioning at this stage how it is to be done. We are just mentioning if the librarians, public librarians want, it is in their interest to have an association. But at the national level, let there be a national council for public libraries. Would you are not in favor, Dr. Lakshman, of the national council?
What I want to say, just saying is easy, but when you form it, it becomes very difficult. You should work out.
Achha, we leave it at this stage. Okay.
Sir, National Library Mission, I'm speaking from here, National Library Mission is doing a good job. Why can't this take the job, take this work of pioneering?
Nothing is working in this country. Delivery of books, nothing is working.
Ne-
Registration of books doesn't work.
Look,
Everything is under the government. Why you want them to bring this thing also so that it don't?
No, that is, you see,
already taking up the,
point is what Dr. Lakshman Rao is saying, I do agree with him. Let not everything be done by the government. Let us leave it to the public librarians also to do something. So there's no harm in that.
Sir, I just want to make one observation, sir. But unfortunately, they say, how do we manage delivery by the publisher, the book to the National Library? This is a small issue. It's such a big government, such as the country is managed by the government. Small issue is not being managed.
I agree with
And
you.
that means it is, one can understand, if you hand over these things to the government, what
I
will
agree
happen?
with you.
Registration box doesn't work. The catalog doesn't come. Everywhere you find national catalog, you can copy catalog. Nothing is coming up. And again, we want the same thing to be given to them.
No, 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 let us leave this idea, let us have the Association of Public Librarians if they want, but we will not press at this time the council idea. Now, the community development,
नहीं चाहिए.
Structure can be worked out later on.
it can be worked out. The constitution of it can be worked out. Okay. You see, the next point is public libraries will have to respond to the changing needs of the public, serve them with necessary information resources, and contribute to developing a knowledge society. I don't think there is any doubt about it because they will have to move towards this. Library services should cut across gender, language, literacy, and age barriers, and libraries should become spaces for social inclusion. This is what has emerged out of this discussion. Public libraries should conform to UNESCO guidelines and look after the communities besides books and journals. I mean, these UNESCO guidelines are very, very important, and we have to upgrade our public libraries to that level. Model libraries that serve the community needs should get established in all states in the country. Now, you see, under the National Mission on Libraries, we thought of having 600 model libraries in 600 districts. But there's a need to have in all, we are planning that this is done in all the states. Within the time. Well, you know it better. I can't say much. Libraries should offer e-content for print disabled. You see, there has been a suggestion that this, for print disabled, we should have this. Library legislation. A model library act keeping in view the developments due to ICT be framed and developed by all states. Now, the library acts that were established, they have become quite old, and there's a lot of change needed. So we need to have a model library act based on the changes and then ask the states to adopt them.
Excuse me, sir, before you move beyond the public library,
Okay.
I was just wondering, actually very hopefully, whether you could add a strong resolution to have a very active children's section in every public library. I think
We are coming to that.
Oh,
We
you
have a
are?
lot of sections.
Oh.
What I would suggest, kindly make note of any new suggestions which have not come here. At the end, we'll add those suggestions into the list.
Okay, thank you.
Now, collection development. Public libraries should be supported to buy publications that are relevant to the needs of the population each public library serves. Now, many times there's no coordination between what the library users need and what the library purchases. Centralized purchasing of library materials should look into the precise requirements of each library. Now, this is where the Raja Rammohn Library Suggestion comes in. They have to look into the precise requirements, not just buy and send books.
सर राजा राममोहन राय लाइब्रेरी फाउंडेशन में क्या है कि जितना भी उनके नाम्स बड़े रिजिड हैं, आप कोई उसमें जो उन्होंने तय कर दिया है कि इतनी की किताबें खरीदनी है, इतनी की टीवी खरीदना है, इतने का ये सामान खरीदना है।
जी।
फर्दर अभी लाइब्रेरीज में और क्या जरूरत है और नए एरा को क्या चाहिए, लाइब्रेरी को नए लोगों के लिए क्या चाहिए, ऐसा उसमें कोई भी नहीं है। तो वहाँ पे भी रिफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत है।
नहीं, वो है सजेशन अभी आ रही है, और सजेशन आ रही है। आप उसमें आप देख लीजिए। वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक सर्वेज ऑफ यूजर्स फॉर दिस
ये
पर्पस।
किताबें खरीद खरीद के बेच देते हैं।
On a state level part, the matter will be decided at the state level.
Yes, yes.
State level planning committee will be there. State level planning committee will be there, and there they will decide what are the materials required and what are the services required for the state. The other part is centralized purchase from the RRL level.
Okay,
There
sure,
are two
sure,
parts.
sure,
Even at the
sure.
state level, they are having the freedom to select the items.
Sure. I think,
They give funding to the state. Matching grant is given by the RRLF. In that, the state level committee purchases the books. Is it possible to request them that 50% of the money should be given to the libraries so that the local libraries or district libraries can purchase? and only remaining 50% can be purchased at the state level. Now what is happening? Everything is purchased at the state level. So therefore, state level may not understand the local level needs.
I would request you to kindly frame this recommendation and pass it on to Dr. Shadrick. Please. Non-book materials like audio and video collections should be purchased.
One
Ac-
small point here, if
Yes,
they
sir.
are purchased, you put them in the reference section or they'll disappear very quickly.
Which ones?
The textbooks, they won't last.
Textbooks.
लोग उठा के ले जाएंगे, उनके लिए सस्ते हैं, आप इसको रेफरेंस सेक्शन में रखिए, बेहतर होगा।
सर बहुत जगह टेक्स्ट सेक्शन अलग है सर।
हाँ बिल्कुल अलग है, लेकिन अगर घर ले जाते हैं तो वापस आने वाले की गुंजाइश थोड़ा कम है।
No, but you see how each library looks up. We are talking about textbooks they should have. Now it is up to the concerned librarian to see what he does.
I think the
So we'll leave it to
suggestion could
that.
be more general in terms of empowering a given
Yes, yes.
library
Yes, yes.
with greater decision-making capacity as
Yes,
well
yes.
as capacitating them to do good selection.
Yes.
But exactly whether what they should select in particular library, they may not need also textbooks, so which is also fine. I think the larger point we should make rather than getting into more very specific things, because those may apply some cases, they may not apply in other
Okay.
places.
Sir, in correction level, can I make a suggestion? 100 crore rupees is given by NMEICT to Kharagpur IIT to develop the National Digital Library. And there should be some agency like an NGO which can work out. There are, now take an example, 20,000 journals are there. Maybe more than 1 billion books are free. The textbooks are free. The curriculum-based lessons are free. Reference sources are free. Can somebody work out as an NGO and give it this information to everybody, or develop a website? Through website, it can be done, especially for public libraries.
No, I think you are right, but you see what has happened, the National Mission on Libraries also is starting a National Virtual Library. The IIT Kharagpur has also been asked to create a Digital Library of India. And already a Digital Library of India by the Indian Institute of Science, they have already developed. There's a lot of confusion at this stage, but which I believe it will be sorted out as soon as the National Mission on Libraries meets next.